ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अक्षर ब्राह्मण, anyone wants to chant eighth mantra without seeing?
अस्तूलम अननु अरस्वम अदीर्घम अलोहितम अस्नेहम अलोहितम अस्नेहम.
Okay.
अचायम अतमो वायवनकाशम असंग.
I didn't hear in the middle.
From, should I chant from first?
No, you chanted there, it is okay.
Yes, Swamiji.
Next person.
Astulam ananu ahrasvam adidgham alohitam asneham achayam atama avayu anakasham asangam arasam agandham achakshu अश्रोत्रम अवाक् अमन अतेजस्कम अप्राणम अमुखम अमात्रम अनंतरम अबाह्यम न तदश्नाति कश्चित् न तदश्नाति किंचन.
न तदश्नाति किंचन न तदश्नाति कश्चन. Next. One of you can.
अस्थूलमननु अह्रस्वमदीर्घम् अच्छाय अलोहितमस्नेहमच्छायमतमो अवायवनाकाशम् असंगम अरसम अगंधम अचक्षुष्कम अश्रोत्रम अवाग अमनो अतेजस्कम अप्राणम अमुखम अमात्रम अनंतरम अबाह्यम न तदश्नाति किंचन न तदश्नाति कश्चन.
Next.
अस्थूलम् अननु अह्रस्वम् अदीर्घम् अलोहितम् अस्नेहम् अच्छायम् अतमः अवायु अनाकाशम् अरसम् असंगम् अरसम् अगन्धम् अचक्षुष्कम् अश्रोत्रम् अवाक् अमनः अतेजस्कम् अप्राणम्
अमुखम
अमात्रम् अमुखम् अमात्रम् अनन्तरम् अबाह्यं न तदश्नाति किंचन न तदश्नाति कश्चन.
Anybody else? Next time others can try. So it was said, Nata Dashnati Kinchana, Nata Dashnati Kashana. In that we saw the Vartika on page number 891, 861, 6th Tippani. Vyapya and Vyapaka. Nata Dashnati Kinchana. What Nisheda is that?
भोक्तृत्व
Bhoktritva Nisheda. न तदश्नाति कश्चन
भोग्यत्व
भोग्यत्व निषेध. Bhokta is always Vyapaka. Bhogya is Vyapya. Because Bhokta is Chetana. Bhogya is Jada Vastu. So, in Tippani it was said, Adya Vakyena Vyapakattvasya Nishedha. Dvitiyena Vyapyatvasya iti Vivekaha. So, the first Vakya is doing Nishedha of Vyapakatva. Neither this Akshara is Vyapaka nor it is Vyapya. Because Ash Dhatu we saw is for Vyapti. That is how he said, right? See in the third line in the Tippani. Vartiketu Vyaptyarthakam Ash Dhatum Abhyupagamya Uttam. Ash Dhatu is for Vyapti Artham. So by doing Bhokta Nisheda, Vyapaka Nisheda is done. By doing Bhogya Nisheda, Vyapya Nisheda is done. Further, Tika, ninth mantra. Atha Yathoktya Nitya Shrutyaiva Aksharastittve Jnapite Vaktavya Bhavat Kim Uttarena Granthena iti tatra aha Aneka iti. Yathoktya Nitya. Niti means in this method, in this way, as it is said, Shrutya Akshara Astitve Jnapite. Shrutya eva. Through Shruti alone, Akshara is known. Astitve Jnapite Vaktavya Abhavat. There is nothing to say more. Then, Kim Uttarena Granthena, then what is the purpose of the further mantras, etc., and discussions? So, Atha Shabda here is either for Prashna or Akshepa. Bhashya. Aneka Visheshana Pratishedha Prayasad Astitvam Tavad Aksharasya Upagamitam Shrutya Tathapi Lokabuddhim Apekshya Ashankyate. Even though with all Visheshana Pratishedha, negation of all the Visheshana, the Astitvam of Akshara is Upagamitam. Upagamitam Jnapitam. Anijanta is taught, is revealed. Shrutya. Tathapi, but Laukika Buddhim Apeksha Ashankyate. With Laukika Buddhi, somebody can have Shanka. What is Laukika Buddhi? Tika. Yadasti tat savisheshanam eva iti Laukiki Buddhi. If there is anything, it will be savisheshana alone. If Akshara is nirvishesha, without any visheshanas, maybe Akshara is not there. This is the Laukiki Buddhi. So, Ashankyate yataha अतो अस्तित्वाय अनुमानं प्रमाणम् उपन्यस्यति. So for its astitva, anumana pramana is given by Shruti itself. What is the ashanka? Ashankyate nasti aksharam nirvisheshanam iti shesha. Nirvisheshanam aksharam nasti eva iti ashankyate. Akshara without visheshana does not exist. This is the shanka. In the 13th chapter of Gita also, when it is said, Niyam yattat pravakshyami yajñatva amritam ashrute. What is that? Anadimat param brahma na tat sat na asaduchyate. Na sat tanna saduchyate. After that elaborate negation, somebody may have shanka, there is no such thing. It is devoid of shabda pravritti nimitta, and also it cannot be said as sat, it cannot be said as asat. It is shunyam eva tarhitat. Then it is shunyam alone. So then, to show that it is asti, other upadhis are shown. Here also, with the help of upadhi, anumanam will be shown. Tika. Antaryami. No. Etasya va aksharasya. Let's see the mantra. एतस्य वा अक्षरस्य प्रशासने गार्गी सूर्या चंद्रमसौ विधृतौ तिष्ठत. एतस्य वा अक्षरस्य प्रशासने गार्गी द्यावा पृथिव्यौ विधृते तिष्ठत. एतस्य वा अक्षरस्य प्रशासने गार्गी निमेषा मुहूर्ता अहोरात्राण्यधर्मस् अधर्मस् अहोरात्राण्यधर अर्धमासा मासा ऋतवः संवत्सरा इति विधृतास्तिष्ठन्. एतस्य वा अक्षरस्य प्रशासने गार्गी प्राच्योन्या नद्यः स्यन्दन्ते श्वेतेभ्यः पर्वतेभ्यः प्रतीच्योन्या यां यां च दिशम् अन्वे. तस्य वा अक्षरस्य प्रशासने गार्गी ददतो मनुष्याः प्रशंसन्ति यजमानं देवा दर्वीं पितरोन्वायत्ताः. एतस्य वा अक्षरस्य प्रशासने गार्गी. So now Yajnavalkya ji is telling Gargi, etasya aksharasya prashasane. Because of this aksharasya prashasanam. Prashasanam means agnya. Etasya, what was said in the 8th mantra. Of this akshara, under its agnya, Gargi Surya Chandramasau Vidritau Tishtat. Surya Chandrama, etc. Surya Chandramasau. Surya, how Surya became Dirgha? Devata Dvandvecha. In Dvandva Samasa, Devatas are there, the Prathama will become Dirgha. Vidrutau Tishtata. Etasya va aksharasya prashasane gargi dyava prithivyau vidrute tishtata. Dyava.
Divo Dyava.
Divo Dyava. Divasya prithvicha iti dyava prithivyau. Vidrute tishtata. Etasya va aksharasya prashasane gargi निमेषा मुहूर्ता अहोरात्राणि अर्धमासा मासा ऋतवः संवत्सरा इति विधृतास्तिष्ठन्ति. एतस्य वा अक्षरस्य प्रशासने गार्गी प्राच्यो अन्या नद्यः स्यन्दन्ते श्वेतेभ्यः पर्वतेभ्यः. The eastern rivers, they flow from the White Mountain, means Himalaya. Praticyo anya, yang yang cha disham, and praticyo anya. Yam yam cha disham anvetasya, in whichever direction they go, the rivers.
Swamiji, here, Disham Anu or Anvedasya.
Disham
Ve-
anvetasya. Anu etasya will become anvetasya.
Vedasya va Aksharasya is the repetition.
Disham anu. And etasya va aksharasya in this way. Clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yang yam cha disham anu gachantyah or syandante. Anusyandante. Anu upasarga will go with the kriyapada. एतस्य वा अक्षरस्य प्रशासने गार्गी ददतो मनुष्याः प्रशंसन्ति यजमानम्. यजमानम् ददतः यजमानम् ददतो मनुष्याः प्रशंसन्ति. दिस इज वन वाक्य. मनुष्याः इति कर्ता, ददतः प्रशंसन्ति. ददतः और इति प्रातिपदिका
ददत्
ददत्. And what is the rupa?
प्रथमा बहुवचनं.
Dadat, how it will go? Dadan, dadantau, dadantaha. Dadantam, dadantau, dadataha. It has to be in Dvitiya because Manushyaha is in Prathama. Manushyaha dadataha prashansanti. Or dadataha, you take it in Shashti. Dvitiya Bahuvachan, you can take. Manushyaha dadataha prashansanti. The Manushyas, they praise person who donates. How? Etasya va aksharasya prashasane gargi. Under the prashasana of this akshara alone. And yajmanam deva darvim pitaraha anvayataha. Devatas follow yajmana. Pitaraha follow those who do darvi. Darvi means darvi homa. So, Vaidika Kriya, Yajna, Dana, Tapa, etc., those who do, all of them, they do it because of Aksharasya Prashasana alone. This is a thought process is very beautiful. What is expected from us is when we see Surya, Chandrama, or Prithvi, Akasha, etc., Kala. So it's not that we have to put forth any serious effort to recognize them. They are always there around. Behind this, there is Akshara. If we do Yajna Dana Tapa, or if somebody does Yajna Dana Tapa, then behind them, this Akshara Prashasana is there. This is what is expected from sadhaka. This is not for information. That I understand my mind is able to go there. I am able to think of akshara through these mantras. And if somebody does devata pujanam, somebody does pitru pujanam, this is also aksharasya prashasanam. Because Vedic karma cannot happen without Paramatma. Tika on 863 Antaryamini Jagatkarane Parasmin Anumana Siddhe Vivakshitam Nirupadi Aksharam Setsyati Jagatkaranattvasya Upalakshanataya Janmadi Sutre Sthitatvat Upalakshana Brahmani Swarupa Lakshana Pravritter Antaryamini Anuma Prakrutopayukta iti bhavah. Antaryamini Jagatkarane. Jagatkarana, what is shown here is Antaryami. Second number tippani. Nanu akshara astittvasya sadhyatve. Kimiti antaryamya astitva sadhanaya anumanam upanyasyate. He says you have to do akshara siddhi through anumanam. You are doing anumanam for antaryami siddhi. What is the difference between akshara and antaryami?
Antaryami is Saguna, Akshara is Nirguna.
Antaryami is Saguna Brahma. Akshara is Nirguna Brahma. We don't want anumanam for Saguna Brahma. So, why are you doing this? This is the question. Nanu antaryamini anumana siddhe aksharam api setsyati. Tichet. Okay, if antaryami siddhi can happen through anumanam, akshara also, akshara siddhi will happen through that same anumanam. So somebody is asking how it will happen. Tat katham ityashankyaha. Antaryamini jagatkarane parasmin anumana siddhe. When antaryami, which is jagatkaranam, jagatkarane parasmin anumana siddhe, when that siddhi takes place through anumanam, vivakshitam nirupadhi aksharam setsyati. Nirupadhi aksharam, which is the vivakshita, its siddhi will happen. Why? Jagat karanattvasya upalakshanataya janmadi sutre sthitatvat upalakshana dvara brahmani swarupa lakshana pravrittehe. Upalakshana means tatastha lakshana. In janmadi sutra, janmadyasya yataha, brahmanaha tatastha lakshana is given. Tatastha lakshana is for Saguna Brahma. Through that, its Swarupa Lakshana is Nirguna. That Jnanam is what is intended. Jagat Karanatva is Tatastha Lakshana. Upalakshana means Tatastha Lakshana. Tatastha Lakshanataya Janmadi Sutra Sthitatvat. In Janmadi Sutra, it is Sthita in this way. Upalakshana dvara brahmani swarupa lakshana pravritte hai. Through tatastha lakshana, swarupa lakshana of Brahma, in that there is pravritti. So swarupa lakshana is already pointed out in 8th mantra. And these mantras, they are talking of tatastha lakshana. Antaryamini anuma prakrita upayukta. Anuma. Anuma means your part is Anuma or anybody has Anumana.
Anuma only.
So that Panchapadika shloka, Anumardha Vigraham. Anuma Ardha Vigraham. Bhagavan Bhashyakara. What is that shloka? Bhogi Parivara Sampadam. Namamya Bhogi Parivara Sampadam. Nirasta Bhuti Manumardha Vigraham. So Anuma Ardha Vigraham. Anuma means Anumanam. Prakrita Upayukta. That Anumanam is useful here. Anumana Shrutyaksharani Vyakaroti. So now the aksharas of this Anumana, the letters, the words, Vyakyanam, he begins. Yadetad Adhigatam Aksharam Sarvantaram Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma Ya Atma Ashanayadi Dharmatita Etasya va Aksharasya Prashasane. Yadetad Adhigatam Aksharam. 1 number tippani. Yad Kahol Brahmanoktam Tat Padartha Rupam. Etat Ushasta Brahmanoktam Tvam Padarthatmakam. Adhigatam Asthuladi Vakyena Avagatam. Iti yavat. So Kahol Brahmana, Ushasta Brahmana. Tat Padartha Tvam Padartha. Adhigatam Aksharam Sarvantaram Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma. Sakshad Aparokshad Brahma. Ya Atma Ashanayadi Dharma Atita. This Atma which is Ashanayadi Dharma Atita. Etasya va Aksharasya Prashasane. Prashasane Surya Chandramasau Vidritau Syatam iti sambandha. So Prashasane Surya Chandramasau Vidritau Syatam. This is the Vakya. On page number 862, in the Vartika, sixth line from bottom. Sixth. Ishitavyartha sambandhad antaryamye tadaksharam chaitanya bhasamohakhya vartmanaivat natu swataha. Ishitavya artha sambandhat antaryami etadaksharam. Etadaksharam antaryami. Same akshara is antaryami when there is association with ishitritvam. How it becomes? Chaitanya abhasa mohakhya vartmana eva natu swataha. Swataha nirguna is not saguna. Chaitanya abhasa mohakhya vartmana. Vartmana margena. Through this marga. How? When Chaitanya abhasa is expressing there. Means in the upadhi, Chaitanya is not there, Chaitanya abhas is there. So then that nirguna looks saguna. Then next Vartik says, Anumana shrutis tasmad agat tasyaiva siddhaye karanatmani sansiddhe sarvam siddham bhaved yataha. अनुमान श्रुति ही तस्माद आगात. For that alone, Anumana Shruti has come. Tasmat tasyaiva siddhaye. For its siddhi. Whose siddhi? Akshara siddhi. How it will happen? Karanatmani samsiddhe sarvam siddham bhavet yataha. Yataha, since when we do Karanatma siddhi, then everything will become siddham. So these are number 128, 129. Iti ukte nirvishesh shunyatvapattim shankye. If something is nirvishesha, then shunyatva apatti is there. So now you have to use upadhi to show it through vidhi mukha also. Only nishedha mukha will end up in shunyam. Okay. Come back to
Is
64.
it 128 Swamiji or 109?
No, it begins from 109. It begins on previous page. Well,
Okay.
this is the style. On 861, Atra Vartikacharyas Tathahi. Atra Ahur Vartikacharyas Tathahi. So there, that Nishiddham Akhilam Vastu Yat Kinchit Jagati Kshate, this is 109. Starting from there, it continues up to here. So 21 Vartikas are given. Then from Iti Ukte Nirvisheshatve, this Anand Giriji's Tika on Vartika begins from Nishiddham Iti Uddisiti Pratika, and it continues on the next page and next page. So much of Vartika is also quoted. Okay. Uktamartham drashtantena sporayati. Now he explains this with the help of drashtanta. Yatha rajnyah prashasane rajyam asphutitam niyatam vartata evam etasya aksharasya prashasane he gargi surya chandramasau suryasya chandramascha surya chandramasau ahoratrayor lokapradipau tadarthyena prashasitra ताभ्याम निर्वर्त्यमान लोक प्रयोजन विज्ञानपता निर्मितौ विधृतौ च स्यातां साधारण सर्व प्राणि प्रकाशोपकारकत्वाल लौकिक प्रदीपवत् यथा राज्ञः प्रशासने. Just as if there is a king under whose prasasana राज्यम अस्फुटितम नियतम वर्तते. अस्फुटितम 1 number टिप्पणी अभिन्न मर्यादम, whose maryada bheda does not happen in the Rajya. Means nobody breaks the rules. Everybody follows the rules. When a king is there, in the same way in this world, everybody has to follow the rules. Those who don't, then they will be punished. Niyatam vartate. Evam etasya aksharasya prashasane he gargi. Tika. अत्रापि पूर्ववद अन्वयः. जगद व्यवस्था प्रशासितृ पूर्विका व्यवस्थात्वात् राज्य व्यवस्थावत् इत्यर्थः. This is the अनुमानम in brief. जगत व्यवस्था प्रशासितृ पूर्विका. The Jagat Vyavastha is along with a prashasita, prashasitru purvika vyavastha. Why? Because it is a vyavastha. Vyavastha means it is a niyat rupa where everything functions in orderly fashion. Prashasitra Purvika. Vyavastha what? Like Rajya Vyavastha, under the rulership of a king, everything functions. Surya Chandramasau ityadau vivakshitam anumanam aha. Surya Chandramasau in this vivakshitam anuman. Suryascha ityadina. Surya Chandramasau. So anumanam is there here. Suryascha Chandramascha Surya Chandramasau. Tadarthyena loka prakasharthatvena. Tadarthyena is there, means loka prakasharthatvena. Sun and the moon to do loka prakashanam, they are like the lamps during the day and night. And they are Prashasitra Nirmitau, who has created these two big lamps by the Prashasitri. Prashasitra Tritiya. Now in Bhashya there is Anumanam. Okay. Surya Chandramasau Ahoratrayor Loka Pradipau Tadarthyena Prashasitra Tabhyam Nivartyamana Loka Prayojana Vijnanavata Nirmitau Vidritau cha Syatam. Up to this is Pratignya. Sadharana Sarva Prani Prakasha Upakarakatvat. This is Hetu. Laukika Pradipa Vat. This is Drashtanta. Anumanam is given in Bhashya. It is not just simple Vakya. Nirvartyamana Loka Prayojana Vijnanavata Nirmitau. Who has created? They are created by the one who has Nirvartyamana Loka Prayojana. The one who wants to accomplish the Loka Prayojana. The one who knows this, Vijnanavata, that Paramatma has created these two, Surya and Chandrama. Nirmitau and then Vidritau. They are held in that sthiti. So Nirman as well as Utpatti as well as Sthiti, both are controlled by Paramatma. Why? What is the hetu? Sadharana Sarva Prani Prakasha Upakarakatvat. Because they are the Sarva Prani Prakasha Upakaraka for all. Like Laukika Pradipa, like a street lamp, how it illumines everything. And it is just there. In those days, these street lamps were not there. Other alat would be there. Mashal. For people to conduct their vyavahara. Tika. So Prashasitra Nirmitau iti sambandha. Nirmatur Vishishta Vijnanavatvam achaste. This Nirmata has Vishishta Vijnana. What is the Vishishta Vijnana? Vijnanavatvam Sarvajnatvam. He is Sarvajna. Surya Chandramasau Tat Shabda Vachyav. Tabhyam is given, Tabhyam Tat Shabda is there. That Tabhyam Kabhyam Surya Chandramabhyam Tat Shabda Vachyav. विमतौ अनदर अनुमानम विमतौ विशिष्ट विज्ञानवता निर्मितौ प्रकाशत्वात् प्रदीपवत् इत्यर्थः. So Surya and Chandrama, Surya Chandramasau विशिष्ट विज्ञानवता निर्मितौ. This is the sadhya. By the one who has Vishishta Vijnana, he has created them. Because they are Prakasha, Rupa, like Pradipa. विमतौ नियंत्र पूर्वकौ विशिष्ट चेष्टावत्वात् प्रत्यादिवत् इति अभिप्रेत्याह विधृतौ. They are niyantra purvakah. There is a niyanta for all of them, both of them. Why? Because they have vishishta cheshta. Whenever they have any cheshta, you need a niyanta. Vrutyadivat iti abhipratyaha vidrutau. 6 and 7 number tippani Surya Chandramasau. प्रकाश उपकारकत्वम तज्जनकत्वम निर्मातुर विशिष्ट विज्ञान संभावना अर्थम साधारण इति विशेषणम. प्रकाश उपकारकत्वम तज्जनकत्वम. प्रकाश उपकारकत्व मीन्स तज्जनकत्वम. निर्मातुर विशिष्ट विज्ञान संभावना. The निर्माता has विशेष विज्ञान of these सूर्य चंद्रमा इत्यादि and the लोक व्यवहार लोक प्रयोजन. विशिष्ट विज्ञान संभावनार्थम साधारण इति विशेषणम. साधारण is given साधारण सर्व प्राणी प्रकाश in हेतु. साधारणः सर्वेषां प्राणिनां यः प्रकाशः प्रकाशस्तस्य जनकत्वात् इति यावत्. साधारणः means सर्वेषां प्राणिनां, all without any exception. सर्वान् प्रति उत्कर्षा अपकर्ष रहितः. Bhagavan does not wish that somebody's utkarsha happens or somebody's apakarsha happens. He is free from them. Utkarsha apakarsha rahitah. Sarvesham praninam yah prakashas tasya janakatvat iti yavat. He is the janaka of this prakasha for all pranis. Drishtante laukika visheshanam prasadadi विशिष्ट देश निविष्टत्व सिद्ध्यर्थम. In Drishtanta, the Laukika Visheshana is given. Laukika Pradipa. Why Laukika? Prasadadi Vishishta Desha Nivishtatva Siddhyata. In the Prasada, in the dwelling place, etc., Vishishta Desha Nivishtatva. It is kept in a Vishesha Sthanam. In the same way, Surya Chandrama, they have their Sthanam. See in Tika, in Tippani 9 number. Evam cha Chidrupa Deepaka Vyavacheda iti bhavaha iti vadanti. Chidrupa Deepaka Vyavacheda. Is all Chidrupa Deepaka is in the same way. Loka prasiddhatvam laukikatvam iti abhipratyaha prasadadi. It is like in the case of loka. How? प्रासादादि उच्च प्रदेश स्थितो ही सर्व प्रकाशको भवति न अंतर्ग्रहको ग्रह कोणादिस्थः. In the prasada, in a palace or in a house, if it is kept on top, then it illumines everything. If that light is kept in the corner, if the lamp is all the way somewhere in the corner, then you will not know, you will not be able to see it. तथा च दृष्टान्ते हेतु असिद्धि वारणाय लौकिक विशेषणम इति भाव. So in दृष्टान्त to do hetu asiddhi varana, laukika visheshana is given. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।